Hey, it's Kate with WTI, and if you're looking for your next daily tumbler, check these ones out from Volhoply. Now, these are 20-ounce tumblers. They are double wall insulated. I have been using these every single day for weeks. We even took them on vacation. So what makes these amazing is that they are the perfect size, first of all. They do not sweat, which I really appreciate, and they definitely keep your drinks colder for longer. They come with their own lid, their own straw, and their own straw cleaner, which is a great little detail. The lids are a push-on lid, which is awesome. No fumbling to find the right way to screw it on. Easy on, easy off, but it does seal really well and keeps in place. The inside is nice and smooth, easy to clean. They also come in incredible colors. So when we were on vacation, we got lots of compliments on these tumblers. I love the bold colors. This 4-pack comes with 4 different colors, so perfect for an entire family or even to gift. They fit great in a cup holder and they're very easy to take on the go. So if you're looking for a fantastic tumbler, I definitely recommend these ones, and that's my point of view.